Let's be honest, karamihan sa mga factory motorcycles ay parang mga damit na pwede sa lahat. They fit, they work, but they don't exactly turn heads. Diyan papasok ang Heiwa Motorcycles, Hiroshima's finest custom shop, where bikes get the kind of transformation that would make Cinderella's fairy godmother jealous. Hindi ito yung klase ng baklas kabit customization. This is handcrafted, soul-infused metalwork at its absolute finest. We can say Japan pioneered some of the best and cool-looking custom motorcycles in the start of the 21st century. But due to its language barrier, Japan still has some of the best custom bike builders that are yet to be introduced in the world. But thankfully, with social media, madaling na ipapasa ang iba't ibang mga style and cultures na noon ay nakatago lang sa Japan. Some notable Japanese shops or builders that are already popular in the West are Brat Style, Zero Engineering, and Ritmo Sereno. But now, let me introduce Heiwa Motorcycles. Heiwa means peace, established by Kengo Kimura from Hiroshima, Japan. Kengo is an economic graduate, pero noong nag-aaral pa lang ay nahilig na siya sa motocross racing. Few years later, around 2005, doon niya tinayo ang Heiwa Motorcycles. Artful minimalism with a vintage twist. Pero paano ba naging kakaiba si Heiwa Motorcycles sa ibang mga garage? The keyword is simplicity. But not just any simplicity. The kind that takes hours of craftsmanship to make it look effortless. Kimura's build are stripped down, refined, and perfectly balanced. Tulad ng isang katana, honed to razor-sharp perfection. At ang kanyang specialty, taking vintage British and Japanese motorcycles, Triumphs, Yamaha, Hondas, at gawin itong something na parang galing sa factory. Prototype from an alternate cooler universe. Some defining features of a Heiwa bike include razor-thin frames. Kimura loves to pare down excess, giving his bike a lean stance na mukhang ginawa para sa mga back alley sa Tokyo race noong 67. Peanut fuel tanks, ang Heiwa trademark. These tiny tanks are sculptured to perfection. Madalas na featuring hand-painted details na sumisigaw na sophistication. Custom fabricated everything. From unique exhaust pipes, brackets, fenders, switches, to minimalist seats, gawa nila lahat yan from scratch. Heiwa doesn't do factory fresh. Their bikes have an aged patina that makes them feel like they've been pulled from a time capsule, but somehow ride smoother than a production model. But Heiwa didn't become popular in Japan first. They become popular more sa buong mundo bago sila ni-recognize ng mga kapwa Hapon. You know you've made it in the custom bike world when Moonies Japan hand you the highest honor. Noong 2017, nagawa ng Heiwa at 1971 Triumph TR6 won the Best Motorcycle Award sa Yokohama Hot Rod Custom Show. The bike was a masterpiece, an exercise in restrained beauty with the vintage vibe so strong it could transport you straight to the 60s. And that wasn't just one-off. Heiwa has consistently dominated the Japanese and international custom scene, proving time and again that their bikes are more than just eye candy. They are rideable works of art. So where are they now? Ngayon, ang Heiwa is still at the top of its game. Kimura and his team continue to refine their craft in their Hiroshima workshop, producing bikes that are both timeless and trend-setting. Whether it's meticulously modifying Yamaha SR400 or a Honda transformed into a cafe racer dream or a Triumph with all the right curves, Heiwa doesn't just build motorcycles. They create rolling poetry. And that's what make Heiwa special. Dahil habang ang iba-iba sa lang nagsasalpak ng mga bagong piyesa sa motor nila at tinatawag nila itong custom, may ilan lang na mga handful builders na kayang gawin ang motorcycle into something that feels like a piece of history before it even has one.